So China last night was hit with an earthquake, a pretty big earthquake from what they're gathering. It's fairly recent. There's already like 150 deaths and a couple hundred people injured, and they haven't even really started search and rescue. And it's in an area where it's like minus 20 or 30 degrees below fucking Fahrenheit. So, I care about all people, and we are all God's children. And, I just want prayers to go out to those people in China. You don't ever see people, fucking praying for